Leaders of the future are constantly looking for an edge. Whether in business, teams, or family, this channel will cover what it takes to be successful. The reality is that success is a lot less about talent. Leaders are not born, as many would assume. With drive and determination, you can level up. We'll start with where most people find themselves right now. Either an entry-level position outside of leadership, a player on the team, or in a growing family. There is a proven pathway to advance. It will take serious work and sacrifice. Here are 3 things you can start doing right now. 1. Look around. See what everyone else is doing. Do the opposite. Are others showing up on time or late? Are they agitated, complaining, or combative? Do they have a "what's in it for me" type of mentality? Are they in a hurry to be done? You can learn a lot by simply observing what the majority of people are doing. The majority of people who aren't leaders. We will go deeper into this topic in future videos. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button so you can stay informed as new videos are released. 2. Ask your current leadership what exactly you need to do to get ahead. Or find a leader or role model in the field you are wanting to get ahead in and ask them exactly what they did or what you need to do if there is already a relationship there. Nothing will get you to the top faster than getting the exact answers to the test. We will cover a wide variety of proven actions to take and mindsets to have. But if you can get immediate answers to your specific situation, it is like a cheat code to your circumstance. And do not be afraid to make your intentions known to these individuals. This can lead to the start of a mentorship and produce an investment in you by them, developing a cadence of checking in and progress updates. 3. Create as many cheerleaders as possible. Give yourself to your peers, your customers, and anyone else that will be compelled to vouch for you when you need it most. Offer to help with heavy loads, literally or metaphorically. Ensure that the buzz around the office, field, or home is always in praise of you and your selfless service to others. One of the most sought-after characteristics of future leaders is their care for and development of their employees or team members. This will go a long way in demonstrating how you will act once you become a leader. Hopefully, you've received valuable insight to guide you on your path to becoming a future leader. Check back regularly for new topics, and as we dive deeper into content we've only scratched the surface on with this first video.